Hey guys, and welcome back to Nikola's Tesla Network, where we discuss about Pi Network and crypto update. In today's video we will be discussing about something that's shaking the entire crypto world. Stay tuned, why we'll unravel all what they have been hiding from you. Kindly like this video and consider subscribing to this channel. With that have been said, let's get to the video. And don't forget to type Pi Network to the moon and let's know where you are watching from. Pi Network is moving toward one of the most historic turning points in its journey, with a major token unlock set for December 2027. This moment is not just another milestone, it's a carefully designed step that could redefine the future of the entire Pi ecosystem. According to co-founder Dr. CHANGDAO Fan, the unlock represents a critical stage in strengthening the long-term health of the project, improving liquidity, and driving wider adoption of Pi coin across real applications, digital platforms, and even everyday cross-sector transactions. The importance of this event cannot be overstated. For years, millions of pioneers have patiently mined Pi from their phones and supported the project through its development phases. Now, the upcoming unlock signals that all of this dedication is leading towards something much larger. What makes this even more exciting is that the process doesn't just begin in 2027. The first wave of tokens will start unlocking in July 2025, when about 265.6 million Pi coins, valued around $24.1 million, will gradually enter the market. This is part of a long-term roadmap that prepares the network for its full utility phase by 2027, where Pi coin is envisioned as more than just a token, it becomes a currency with real-world use in the era of Web 3. For those who have been holding and mining Pi, this is a moment you cannot afford to ignore. To all my incredible pioneers tuning in from every corner of the world, whether you're in the United States, India, Papua New Guinea, Nigeria, the Philippines, Canada, South Africa, or anywhere else, this announcement carries the potential to reshape how you see your Pi holdings. The excitement is electric, and the countdown to the unlock has already begun. Dr. Fan made it clear that this unlock is not simply about putting more tokens into circulation. It's about building a sustainable economy within the Pi ecosystem. The strategy is deeply aligned with Pi Network's mission to create a cryptocurrency that isn't just traded for speculation but is actually used in day-to-day transactions, decentralized apps, and merchant payments. Imagine being able to walk into a store, buy services online, or access applications within the Pi browser and pay directly with Pi coins. That is the kind of future this unlock is preparing us for. But let's talk about what makes this so revolutionary. By expanding the circulating supply, Pi Network will significantly increase liquidity, giving pioneers new opportunities to use their coins across different markets and applications. At the same time, the core team understands the risks of destabilizing prices, which is why they are carefully balancing the timing of the unlock with efforts to expand demand for Pi coins. The key idea is simple: as supply grows, utility must grow with it. This ensures long-term stability and sustainable value growth. Already, the team is working on multiple initiatives to make this happen. They are encouraging developers to build decentralized apps, NFT marketplaces, gaming platforms, and productivity tools that run on Pi. Merchants are being invited to integrate Pi payments into their businesses, from online stores to local markets. Every new partnership and application adds another layer of real demand that strengthens the coin's foundation. On the exchange side, there is also massive anticipation. While Pi has not yet launched on major exchanges, experts see potential pathways. Exchanges like Huobi, Coinbase, KuCoin, and Gate.io could all play important roles when the time is right. For example, Huobi's presence in Asia could help Pi tap into its largest user base, while Coinbase, with its strong compliance framework, could align well with Pi's careful and methodical approach. Early-stage listings might first appear on mid-tier exchanges to provide liquidity before Pi makes its way onto the biggest platforms. Still, Pi Network has made it clear that listings will only happen after specific milestones are achieved. Mass KYC, migration of balances to the Open Mainnet, ecosystem utility, and technical readiness are non-negotiable steps before Pi touches external exchanges. This cautious approach protects both the pioneers and the project from regulatory and technical pitfalls. And while some in the community dream of sudden price surges, the real value will come from actual adoption, consistent use, and steady growth. For pioneers, the implications are huge. Once Pi begins listing, it will transform from a mined token with theoretical value to a liquid asset that can be exchanged, traded, or even staked in DeFi protocols. The ecosystem will expand, creating opportunities for people to not only hold Pi but actively use it in transactions and businesses. Whether it's cross-chain interoperability, payment systems, or partnerships with other blockchains, Pi is positioning itself as more than just another coin, it's aiming to be a currency for everyone. The upcoming unlock also serves as a call to action. Pioneers should complete their KYC, migrate their balances, and engage with the apps and platforms being built on Pi. This isn't just about waiting, it's about participating in the growth of an economy. By supporting merchants, testing applications, and using Pi in real exchanges of goods and services, pioneers directly contribute to the long-term strength of the ecosystem. Now, let's think about the bigger picture. By 2027, when the largest token unlock arrives, Pi could be positioned as a truly global currency. The plan is for Pi coins to function as a borderless payment tool, usable across more than 230 countries where pioneers are already active. Merchants, small businesses, and even digital service providers will have new opportunities to accept Pi, creating an interconnected economy fueled by community participation. This is the dream of decentralized finance, brought to life in a way that is accessible to ordinary people, not just institutional investors. The token unlock also encourages pioneers to shift from simply mining to becoming active contributors. Instead of passively waiting for value, pioneers can build Pi-based businesses, barter marketplaces, and digital platforms that accept Pi as their primary currency. Every transaction strengthens the network, and every new business creates more reasons to use Pi. This is how a currency moves from speculation to everyday utility. At the same time, interoperability will be a huge focus. Pi is preparing to connect with other crypto ecosystems, enabling cross-chain payments and collaborations with DeFi platforms. That means pioneers could eventually use Pi not only within the Pi ecosystem but also across multiple blockchain networks, increasing its reach and utility far beyond what many expect. The unlock is more than just coin distribution, it's about laying the foundation for Pi Network's role in the global economy. It's a chance to prove that cryptocurrency can be practical, stable, and useful for real people. While the journey won't be without challenges, the structured and strategic approach Pi has taken makes this milestone one of the most promising in the history of blockchain. So pioneers, as we approach this life-changing chapter, the question is not just about how much Pi you hold but how you plan to use it. Will you spend it, stake it, or build with it? The future of Pi depends on the choices made by its community, and every action helps shape the direction of this groundbreaking project. The years of patience, dedication, and faith are leading us toward a moment when Pi will finally reveal its full potential. The 2025 unlock is just the beginning. By 2027, Pi Network could emerge as one of the most utility-driven, community-powered projects in the entire crypto world. The vision is bold, the momentum is real, and the future is closer than ever. Pi Network to the moon, let's make it happen together.